Savastika, food enthusiasts. Today, we are taking a culinary journey to the streets of Thailand with an authentic Thai drunken noodles recipe, also known as Pad Kee Mao. Brace yourselves for a fiery and flavorful twist that will transport your taste buds to the bustling markets of Thailand. I'm your quirky quest, and I'm thrilled to guide you through this sizzling and aromatic adventure. But before we dive into this Thai street food experience, let's gather our vibrant ingredients. $550 grams fresh rice noodles separated. 250 grams boneless skinless chicken thighs sliced thinly. 175 grams Chinese broccoli aka Gai-Lan, chopped into 2-inch long pieces with stalk ends trimmed. 80 grams holy basil or sub with Thai basil or Italian basil. 70 grams carrots julienned, strips. 2 large red chili pepper chopped. 6 cloves garlic. 2 tablespoon vegetable oil or any neutral oil. Stir-fry sauce. 1 tablespoon regular soy sauce. 1.5 tablespoon dark soy sauce. 1.5 tablespoon oyster sauce or sub with vegetarian stir-fry sauce. 1 tablespoon fish sauce. 2 teaspoon white granulated sugar or sub with brown sugar, palm sugar or cane sugar. In a small bowl, combine noodle sauce ingredients, regular soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, fish sauce and white granulated sugar. Set aside. In a mortar and pestle or food processor, grind garlic and chopped red chili into a chunky paste. Set aside. Microwave or steam fresh rice noodles for 2-3 minutes until warm and pliable to separate, then vertically split each rice noodle roll into half, so it's easier to eat. If you're using fresh noodle sheets, slice them into 1-inch wide strands. Using dry rice noodles, follow package directions or soak them in lukewarm water for 30 minutes or in hot boiling water for 1 minute, until limp but firm to touch. Strain, gently separately them. No need to cut them. In a wok or large skillet on medium-high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once oil is hot, add sliced chicken thighs and spread apart quickly. Fry until cooked, remove and set aside. Lower to medium heat, add chili garlic paste and carrots and cook for 20-30 seconds. Move to the side of the pan. Raise to medium-high heat, pour in remaining oil into empty space of pan. Then add rice noodles and noodle sauce. Gently toss until noodles are coated in sauce. Allow noodles to sit in the pan for 30-45 seconds or more without movement so they can char for additional flavor. Toss in Chinese broccoli and gently toss with noodles. Cook until greens have slightly softened. Add cooked chicken and holy basil. Gently toss, remove off heat. And there you have it, authentic Thai drunken noodles, ready to be served and savored. If you're ready to bring the taste of Thailand to your kitchen, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more global recipes. Enjoy this fiery and flavorful twist, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!